back to the same box of Power Sports. Today we have this Yfz450, well, it's new to me, and it's not holding compression. So we're going to just rip everything out and see what's wrong with it. But while the engine and everything's out, we're going to powder coat everything. But don't worry guys, it's going to be all time lapse, because that would be like a 3-hour long video. We still have blow by, so it looks like we're due for a new top end and valve train. I hope you have an amazing day, and please like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 2. Goodbye.